But first on Channel 5, reports of inventory errors impacting our local vaccine supply.
Yeah, Channel 5's Alyssa Cole takes a closer look at missing vaccines and why shipments are slowing down.
Since the beginning of December, the State Department of Health has released 3 lists of COVID-19 vaccine allocations. On those lists, you'll find the state has clinics, pharmacies, and hospitals across the Rio Grande Valley to have received more than 44,000 vaccine doses. While those numbers may seem like a good start for the region, top Valley health officials say that's not the case.
One of the issues that we are experiencing is that the list that the state puts out is sometimes not as accurate as what is really going on in our community.
Cameron County Health Administrator Esmeralda Guajardo says if you take a look at the Cameron County listing for week 2, you'll find a huge mistake. Edinburgh Regional Medical Center listed as being in Cameron County. Along with that, the state inaccurately reporting Cameron County to have received those 1,400 allotted vaccine doses that were actually shipped to Hidalgo County.
Some of these facilities that receive vaccines and were allocated the vaccines have sister facilities in another county. And so they tend to distribute the vaccines to that area. So it's very, very difficult to tell exactly where the vaccines are.
Guajardo also confirming one provider received hundreds fewer vaccines than expected.
We had one facility that we reached out to ask them exactly what they were planning on doing, who they were going to target to make sure that they were frontline individuals that they were vaccinating, and they informed us the list may have 500, but we only received 50. And so that's a drastic difference.
Frustration growing from east to west, leaving many to wonder if the state is publishing the wrong vaccine allocation amount or shipping an incorrect number of vaccines.
People are clamoring for the vaccine, and we don't have any to give out.
Regional Medical Director Dr. Emily Pro weighing in, confirming that if you qualify and your county is low on or out of vaccines, you can actually get the vaccine anywhere.
There's no county limits, so you can go, and there's not even a state limit. So we do have contract workers that come in, and there's been questions like how are they going to receive their second dose if they're not going to be in Texas because they were deployed here. There's no county restrictions. Really, you can go wherever you want.
Dr. Pro says despite the ensuing delays and confusion, at this point, we're really at the mercy of the vaccine manufacturers.
What happens is that the supply, the Moderna factory, so the manufacturer, is pumping vaccine out. Pfizer is pumping vaccine out, but they're at slower manufacturing capacity right now. So as what we're working with, what we're given from the federal side of the house.
Alyssa Cole, Channel 5 News at 6.